How to share your PowerPoint presentation on Bluetooth very easy and fast in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to PowerPoint. Now choose the document or the presentation that you want to share. I'm gonna choose this one. Click on it and it will take you to this page. Now go to the top right here, click on this little icon. Now click on full document option right here. Choose the presentation option, and now right here you will find Bluetooth here. Click on it and you will be able to share it via Bluetooth very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later. Thank you so much.